Hi, I'm Christy Barney.
And I'm Courtney Turek.
And we're the Monkey Mat Mamas. How many times have you wanted a clean space on the go and not wanted to take a big, bulky blanket?
Designed for life on the go at all ages, Monkey Mat is the perfect solution for in and outdoor use.
Originally inspired by watching kids on dirty airport floors, disgusting, it was also designed for picnics, beach, outdoor concerts, yoga in the park, soccer games, camping and hiking, and more.
Inside this compact pouch is an attached 5 by 5 foot mat made of a durable, soft ripstop nylon. It's water repellent, has weighted corners, and loops for extra grounding. In the center, there are tabs for keys, toys, carabiner, dog leash, and when you're ready to go, you shake dirt and sand right off and stuff right back into the pouch to zip, clip, and go. And of course, is machine washable.
So grab a Monkey Mat, a clean portable surface for in and outdoor use. No more bulky blankets. Monkey Mat allows you to make your space
any place.